Hey, what's up, guys? Got a 2018 Toyota Key doing battery replacement. Basically, you want to pop this back piece off. You can use like a small flathead or maybe something softer so it doesn't break this little black part. Anyways, you can get it in between the crack. You can go through like right here, just kind of start it and then just kind of gently work your way around the back. It'll pop off. You just gotta work at it. Then you gotta take this little orange thing off. This is for like to protect it from like moisture and stuff. Once you get that off, your battery is right here. You just got to see what kind you need. It'll say on it. Most of the time it does. This is a CR2032. So then you just go to your parts store or like Walmart or something. Get yourself a 2032. Put it in. You do need to be kind of aware when you're putting this in because you could actually mess up your key if you're not gentle. So just, I know you can't see it, but there are these little metal springs in there. And you just put it in gently, don't force it, and then put this little guy back in, make sure he's good, and just snap your cover back on, and that's it. Get this, and then of course you want to test it after you got it in. Test mine. Alright, so hope this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe.